Okay guys, what's up? Master Tech once again. So please disregard any background noise. So I came here to post Gotrascript audio test answer for November 2019. So please watch and listen carefully to me because I will say what are the things or words you need to change and focus on. No? So let's get started. Anyway guys, this is the audio test and it consists of 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotrascript. In terms of lack of expertise, so before we get to lack of expertise, the organisation, as you'll sort of probably be aware, but it has to have a vision, it has to have a plan, and that plan has to be documented because you've got to have a scope, you've got to understand it.
No, as you heard it guys, the test is insane, rather the speaker guys, no? So for me, it became much more harder than the previous test. Took me 2 days to finish and finalize the script, but still, there are more things and words that needs to be improved, okay? So anyway, this is the script that I've made. Okay, So the things you need to focus on is the words that I'm going to highlight or the words that has question mark and until unintelligible, okay? So first of all guys is before we get lack of XPC. Okay, so listen to this carefully guys because I'm not really sure on this word and or should I change it to question mark. Okay, so sound guys is this one. Okay, so check that guys and listen to that carefully. And the third one guys is over here. Where is it? Unintelligible. Okay guys, it is right here, no? Okay, so unintelligible or means I didn't understand what did he say on this part, so you must change this according to what does the speaker stated. Okay, so this is the final script guys and I'm going to copy and paste it over here. So anyway guys, this is the preview test and I'm going to delete it. Okay, speaker label must be bold. So for me guys, there's only 2 speaker on this test, okay? But still the audio or the test is so hard, no? Napakahirap guys, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano sinasabi ng speaker. Okay, so I'm not going to send it for review guys, no? Hindi ko na siya isa-send for review kasi hindi pa naman talaga siya buo and there are still things and words that needs to be improved or changed. So I'm going to hand it to you guys now. Finalize the script and don't forget to double check my script including grammars, spellings, and position of commas, punctuation, no? I know you can do it guys, just a little more improvement and hopefully you will pass the test. I know it is hard but don't give up and keep pushing. Just try until you succeed guys. There's no limitation on exam. If you fail, then go to exam again, okay? So that's it and hope I help you a lot. So God bless guys and have a nice day, okay? So check this one, and lastly change the unintelligible part. Okay, so have a nice day and good luck to your exam. I hope I help you a lot.